Nilesh. He's the head of Tamil Nadu, and I have Mr. Ayyaswamy, who handles portion of Tamil Nadu, area marketing manager. So now I would request Mr. Preetham Banerjee to share a few words.
Thank you, Avik. Thank you to each one of you, and we are privileged to have you all over here. Very good afternoon to each one of you. This is an event which is of you can say a milestone in our achievements as we move along with our legacy of 117 years of providing security solutions and locks to innumerable, maybe each Indian home have a Godrej lock. So coming a long way, in fact, it has been always our endeavor to understand the customer need and expectation from a pioneering company who had always been led by innovation, and where design and technology has played the central part of all the products which we have developed. So in our quest to satisfy the need and expectation of the customer and to move along with the time, there is a wide array of products which had also been evolved over a period of time. To showcase those, and with the insights which we have got from all our influencers, we had came up with the concept of mobile experience center. And last year, in fact, we inaugurated and we launched the first mobile experience center, which was first of its own kind in India. Now, by the overwhelming success of that mobile experience center, which we launched last year and which moved around entirely across the length and breadth of the country, we move forward. And this year we are here to unveil our the next step of innovation, which we are calling as the Innovation Express, which is our Mobile Experience Center 2. So, in fact, we had always tried to come up with new technologies which have been satisfying the customer's need and expectation, and the kind of locks which are evolving. Today, if you see that along with the aesthetic part, along with the technology part, the design, finish and color of the product is also of good importance as far as customers' taste and preference are concerned. Because with day by day, the taste and preferences are also changing. Now, keeping that in mind, our major focus has been to integrate all those parts in our product ranges, and the kind of product which has been launched by our company over this period of years. So that had been showcased in this experience center. And this mobile experience center is actually traveling all across India, and we are taking it to all our consumers, all our influencers, all architects, all our accounts who are continually doing business with us, and many of the people. Like from that, this concept came up where people used to say that I want to understand your entire range maybe. And really speaking, big architects and big builders segments and interior designers who are actually the users of this product, apart from the end customers who uses this product, they are very comfortable once we go to them, because they have under one main architect, there is a group of architects, there is a firm of architects who are working all together. And once we showcase them at their doorstep, that what do we have to offer, how do they operate, what are the technicalities involved in that, where we have our expert team who also goes along with the mobile experience center. So this has been very helpful from their end. So the whole idea of this innovative initiative came from that, and that's how we developed this mobile experience center.
How many vehicles you have?
At presently we have 2. Last year we had 1.
Okay.
And with that, this year we have added 1 more.
So we actually make a route plan for that. The vehicle is moving, let's say currently it is in south. We had this event in the Kochi. The mobile experience center was there in Kerala for around 10 to 12 days. So we cover major cities. We go, actually the idea is to go to customer with the entire product range. If we have got a brick and mortar showroom, that may be at a remote corner of a town. So we cannot bring everybody to that showroom where we have got application centers or where we have got the display. This is the idea where we can reach to customer very fast. Let's say if all big.
But that is understood. The question was not that question. With two buses, two vehicles, how would you cover the length and breadth
First
of the
is like
Hafele, there is Hafele, there is Ozone, there is Dorma, but there are different segments which they are catering to, right?
And what is your share of the market?
Our share in organized market is close to 33% and close to some 13%, 13.5% in organized and unorganized both put together.
So what is your global reach? So how many countries are?
Right now, apart from India, we are going to almost, I think, 19 countries where we are supplying, and we are also setting up our network over there.
So what percentage of your locks that are being sold in India are imported from other countries?
In fact, our manufacturing and products which are getting made in India is close to some 60% of that, and 40% is getting imported.
Shower chemicals.